Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. Anyway, last time got the front suspension put together with the steering and the front differential connected. And now we're going to continue. Okay, I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Okay, so now, not quite sure what that is. Got lots of interesting pieces. I haven't seen these before. Haven't seen these before either. So I wonder what exactly is gonna go together here. And we got these two half beams on there. Okay. Black axle, we got a blue 1x2 half beam. Okay. Goes like this. Like so. Another black axle here. That's supposed to go through here. Does it just stick through just a little bit here, I guess? It should be equal length. And then we have this 1x3 piece. Gotta put that there. And the long axle, and it does show that it's just supposed to line up here. Nice to have the hard table. Okay. Now two of these connections, or these 90-degree axle pin connectors. Okay, like that. And then we have, this goes here. Uh-oh. Not good. Can that slide on there? There we go. And then we gotta put this one up here. So it's making a line right there. It's a collar on this one. The 1x3 goes here? Or goes, what? Okay, the 1x3 goes like that. And then the 1x4 goes on top of that. Okay. And then we put the other long black pin in there. We've got two of these blue half beams on this side. One of these 1x3s. And that. No, that's right. This goes where? Well, it goes here. Okay. Like that. Now the two corner B half beams, and I put the gray three length gray beam in here. That just goes in the middle, sort of. And it's supposed to face this, or wait. Yeah, it's supposed to go this way. Okay. Like that. And then another 3 beam on this side. And then we take the two half beams and put it on this long pin with an axle. And that sits like this. Okay. Now we have two of the black 4-length axles. And they go in here. and here. Is that, yeah, that's right. There we go, just like the picture there. And now this goes over here. Okay, now we have some gears to put together. We'll put this blue gear here. Got this orange axle connector. A little different. And that is supposed to go through this one. Yep. And I connect up the little blue gear on the other side. Okay. That might, no, that can't be for steering. Can it? Okay, we have two of the long two-sided axles here. Okay, so they go like this. Oh. Okay. Like so. And, oh, now we're hooking that up to the front here. Oh, that's the, oh, that is this, oh, that is the steering, but it's not the top steering. Okay, so that'll just go in here and hook up like so. So now that is the steering there. Okay. Now we take the green axle connector, put that down here. And yeah, they move, everything's moving. Now we have, is this the dashboard? Well, that goes there. And then we have two black pins. A long blue pin over here. Black pin. I think that's right. And then we put that there. This goes over here. Okay, and then we have this little brick built box here. And that is supposed to hook up to these two pins here, like so. L-beam. That's going there. We have an axle pin. Okay, so that's that piece now. Oh, I turn it this way. Okay. And where does it think that's going? It thinks that's going in the L-beam, but I gotta put two in. Okay, one goes there, one goes here. Okay, I think that's the way it's supposed to be. Now we go on to the suspension here. And that's supposed to go on this side. Over top of the, what? Just over the black axle? Yeah, okay, that just goes on the black axle. Okay. Now, what's this? We gotta hook this up. We got the four beam, or four axle connection. Here we have a 3, and then a 5 length brown axle all the way through. Another one of these 90-degree connections, and that goes up here. I think it goes through here. Yeah, it goes through and then goes through the blue, those blue half beams there, and all the way through to the middle. So there it's all connected. Now I have the light blue gear, and that is going to go here. That looks right, I think. And we take 2 of the gray gears and put them on these long white axle pins. And they go on either side. So this one goes here. And this one goes here. Okay, so the steering is supposed to go up here, and then you have that there. And then this is going to go to something I can steer from the top with. Usually they do that. Just not on the supercars. Don't do that to the supercars now. So this, like so, and then that goes there. And then I need to put that here, and that goes over, okay, that goes over the white axle there. Now we have this L-beam. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay. And that's how that's supposed to go. This goes here, and then oh, there. And then the 2 pins go below that. And oh, that's on that same side. Oh, I see. We're locking those in too. So those are locked in now. Those are all locked in. All right, 2 T's. And we put them like this. Okay, now where do those go? They go on either side here. On this side. They go on either side. Like right there. Off the frame. Okay, that's lined up there, and this will line up with, sure, with something else that's coming. We got another T. This time with blue pins. Ooh, what's this? We're gonna hook this over here. These are the same both ways, right? I think I determined that previously. That goes there. We have another one. And okay, now we're using these things with the wheels. Is this to make an engine like it's different for sure? Okay, and then you've got to go, it's going straight the opposite way? Down. Okay. Down, then up. Okay. Then down. Okay, and then it says to that direction, so that's to the right, and to the left, and then to the right again. Okay. And then that has to sit here. That axle looks bent. Okay, then we have the other T. Well, this is definitely a different way to do it. Oh, it is the engine. It's definitely a different way, not the standard parts, right? So that's neat. Oh, we're gonna put those through here. Okay. I gotcha. So is it supposed to be, oh. They want me to have it the way I put it together. So it's like this. Those stay sticking up. And that one should be in. And then these would be just sticking up a little bit. Okay, so I think I did that right. And now I'm gonna put that through here. Like that. Okay, we got it. Now, got this other beam that angles down. This goes over here. This one goes this way. Same thing, we put that over here. And we have an L beam like that. And we turn it around, pop these in. This time, we did this last time too. Or on the other side. And that goes there. Oh, this is a little different. We got this piece, and then we got to put a couple of grills on it. And that actually is what hangs off of there. And then that is what we're gonna hook on this side. Okay. So because this is the engine, we've got parts in the engine. That's what that is. Okay. Now what? We got the two, oh, we gotta take these 7 beams and just hook everything together. Okay. And we have the long dark gray beam. We got 2 black pins to put in there because they're gonna go into those 2 spots, or not. They go this way. Okay, those are just need to go in the holes. Okay, there we go. Got 2 of these axles. And we put the collar right on the end. And slide those through. Oh, I see. I can't put I gotta put them through and then put the collar on. Haha, that's why they didn't say put them on first. So, okay. Let's get that in there. Okay, that's how that is. Now, I have 2 shocks with a gray top. Oh, I'm just pushing axles through here. Okay, so this, I am facing this way. I need to put the brown axle through what? It's the short brown axle. So this is supposed to slide through here, up here. And then we put another collar on it. Which is a little tricky. Okay. And then I think this is supposed to go, oh, that is supposed to go through there, isn't it? Oh, it is. I'm not pushing it all the way through because I don't, okay, it does go. These do go all the way through. Oh, I'm supposed to put the second shock through there. Okay, so that's what's happening. This goes through here. So we got double shocks to help support this large vehicle. And that should do that. And then we just gotta do the same thing on the other side. It is a large vehicle, so that's probably a good idea to get these shocks on here. And push that through there. Get the collar on. Okay, and then get the other shock in that side. And then through the top side here. And there we go. That's good. Okay, now we have two of these, and they have a pin in the bottom here, and we put one on either side of this into here. Oh, and that, I guess that goes on like that. That just goes there. Okay. And we have these two. They're actually going on that axle. Okay. Oh, this didn't get pushed all the way through. Okay, that's better. There they go. Now one of the brown axles. Okay, I have to actually push it through here. Does it go? Oh, does it go through there like that? Oh, I'm supposed to put this in between. I see. So that goes there, and then you push that through. And this has to be the same thing. Interesting choice. I mean, we could have maybe not done it this order. Okay, that's just being tricky here. Okay, and then just push that through. Now we have the two L-beams with the long axle pin. One goes on this side. So we're hooking these up, right? or lining them up, get these axles lined up on this L-beam. And get that one. They're doing more of this on this one rather than having to try to get two pins together in some places where it's really tricky. Just line it up with one pin and an axle. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, so that's gonna do something, isn't it? Oh, I didn't see that. I did not see that. Okay, so this has to go onto there. That's better. Okay, so that's how that's supposed to go. And then it doesn't turn. And then I have to pull that one out. And push that back in there. Okay, there we go. That's better. Well, that has been part 2 of my Mercedes-Benz G500 build. Got the engine, very unique construction engine, put on here with a slightly different build than I've seen before, but that looks pretty neat. And a lot of the steering gears and everything are added as well, along with the actual shocks. Anyway, if you would like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.